Hello, this is Brian Ryo with sprint number 5. Sprint number 5 covers all the collidables, and I'll start off with a brief demonstration. This is scene 1, which does not contain any collidables, but when I press enter, I enter the scene with collidables, and in the output window you can see 3 output messages being repeated every single frame, and that is the frigate colliding with itself, the frigate colliding with the world plane, and the world plane colliding with the frigate. So the world plane and the frigate are a pair that is registered through the scene's collidable manager. And right here you can see that being done with the self. I'll go into that, and what it does is it will call the collidable manager, and it will assign the pair. What this command does is it will dynamically create a new collision pair command, and it will push that onto its list, and on execution, or when it's the collidable manager's turn to execute, that in turn will go into either the pair command or the self command, and it will iterate through both of the collections, and it will go into the frigate or the world plane, and it will pass the parameter for the collision as the second collection or the first collection in the case of the reverse. Inside the collidable group singletons, it is a set, and what happens is an item or a pointer is inserted into the set. I store that iterator inside a map, so I can quickly erase something just by calling the map and receiving its iterator, and I can erase it rapidly. Inside the frigate, on scene entry, you can see this is a registration. This is the registration with this is its self registration. Going inside the .h, you can see collision. When collision with a world plane is called from the frigate, so when a collision is read, this output message will be sent. And if the collision instead is with the frigate, or this case being the self, the frigate collides with self. For the world plane, again, the object is registered, and it can be deregistered, and it calls its function. Thank you very much.